Hey there, digital makers. Christina here from the Raspberry Pi Foundation. Thank you so much for joining us this week for Digital Making at Home, our weekly content series for young people who are creating at home. This week's theme is Make It 3D. So this week, we're going to use computers to go three-dimensional. Now, if you're new to 3D, don't worry. We've got a code-along video and some great projects to help you get started. In this week's code-along video, Mark and Jimmy will introduce you to Blender and walk through our Party Monkey project. We also have our 3D pendant project where you can use BlocksCAD and geometry to design a pendant. And we recommend another great BlocksCAD project, our 3D keyring project, where you design a 3D keyring that you can print out on a 3D printer. We'll also have our live coding session on Wednesday, so join us and a special guest as we create with 3D. Now head over to rpf.io/home, and I can't wait to see what you create this week.